Here we are going to know about cohort study design. So what is cohort study design? A cohort study is an observational research design that involves following a group of individuals cohort over a specified period to investigate the development of outcome or changes in exposure to certain factors. So here an example of cohort studies like diet and heart disease risk. So what is our research question? Does long-term consumption of high-fat diet increase the risk of heart disease? This is our research questions. This kind of the research questions we are going to have follow-up, then we can go for cohort study design. So first of all, we need to understand selection of the cohort. Researchers identify and recruit a large group of initially healthy individuals from a specific population. These individuals will form the cohort, study cohort. Participants should be free from heart disease at the beginning of the study and should be diverse in terms of age, gender, and other relevant characteristics. Baseline data collection at the start of the study, detailed information is collected from all participants, including their dietary habit, type and amount of fat consumed, lifestyle factors, physical activity, medical history, and other relevant variables. Participants undergo physical examinations and provide blood samples for baseline measurements. So follow-up period, the cohort is followed over an extended period which can range from several years to decades. During this time, participants are periodically assessed for changes in dietary habits, health outcomes, and the development of heart disease. Data analysis. Researchers analyze the data collected during the follow-up period to examine the relationship between long-term dietary fat consumption and the incidence of heart disease. Statistical methods such as hazard ratio are used to quantify the association between dietary fat intake and heart disease. So results and conclusion, if the study finds a statistically significant association between high fat diet consumption and heart disease risk, it can be concluded that a long-term high fat diet increases the risk of heart disease. The study may also provide insights into the strength of the association and may identify specific dietary components contribute to the risk of increased risk. So limitation of cohort studies can be time consuming and expensive due to long follow-up period. Attrition, loss of participants over time can be challenged and may introduce bias. Other factors such as changes in lifestyle or health behaviors can found the results. So, in this example, the cohort study design is used to investigate the relationship between long-term consumption of high-fat diet and the risk of heart disease. By following a large group of initial healthy individuals over an extended period and collecting data at multiple points, researchers can assess how dietary habits influence the development of heart disease and provide valuable insights into the long term health effects of diet.